Hello, I'm Mark Wilson, and today I'm going to tell you how you can share your quizzes with other teachers. Now, you'll notice under the Manage Assessment button that there's no option here to actually copy the quiz to another teacher or share it with them. But there is an option that will allow you to share an entire page with another Haiku site. Now you can either share it with your own Haiku sites, or you can get the teacher you want to share the content with to add you as a teacher, and then you can their site will show up on your list, and then you can copy a page and all of its content to their site that way. Here's how you can do this. You can see I've already created a little demo quiz. So the first thing I need to do is put this quiz on a page, and then I'm going to share that page with the other teacher. So here I'm going to click on the Pages tab, and then I'm going to click Add a Page, and it doesn't really matter what I name it because it's just a vessel for sending the quiz. So here I've got just new page is fine. I'll just put it at the bottom of the page. None of that really matters. I just hit save. It's going to create a new page for me. And what I'm going to do now is go back to my assessment and put the content on this new page. So here if I go to assess, and when I publish this, it's going to give me the option of choosing what page I put it on. So I'm just going to select that I want to put this on the new page that I added right here and click finish. It's going to take the quiz out of my draft and put it on the page. If I click on the Pages tab at the top, it'll take me back to the home screen, and when I click on the new page you can see that the quiz has been added to my page in its own little content block. Now what if you have already published the quiz? Now that creates a bit of a problem. Let's see what happens. When I go back to the Assess tab, I can see that my quiz is no longer listed under the drafts, it's under Published now. You can only attach quizzes to a page when you're going from draft to publish. If it's already published, it won't allow you to publish it on the page. I don't know why. It's quite puzzling. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to actually make this quiz a draft first before it will allow you to attach it to the page. Now the problem here is that when you unpublish a quiz, it's going to delete all of the responses that any of your students have taken. If you've got data in your quiz that you don't want to lose, student results and that sort of thing, then what you might want to do instead is make a copy of the quiz first, and you can simply do that under the Manage Assessment button. Click on Save As and just give the quiz a different name. I'm just going to call this one Demo Quiz 2. I'll hit Finish. And now basically what I've done is I've created a copy of the quiz. This one I can go ahead and publish now, and it will allow me to send it to another page as well. So if I had already published it, that's a kind of a way that you can get around unpublishing your quiz. So let's say that at the end of the day I've got my quiz published to a page. Now all I have to do is simply copy this entire page to any other website I want. So what I can do is under Manage Page, you can copy, you can also share it as well. If I copy a page, it'll say, what class do you want to copy this to? And I can specify, well, I'm on my Earth Science class right now. I want to share this with my Xbox programming class. If I select the class I want to copy it to, just like before, it says, where do you want me to put this page? I'm just going to put it at the bottom of the list of pages and click Next. It confirms that it's going to do that, so I go ahead and click the copy button. It stays in my Earth Science, but if I go up to the list of classes and click on my Xbox programming class, you can see now my new page appears here as well, and the quiz is on that page. Now in the background where you didn't see it, it also shows up on your Assessment tab now. So if you click on Assess and go to your published classes, or your published quizzes rather, you can see that the demo quiz is now among the list of quizzes that you have on the site. The nice thing about doing this is that if you get another teacher to add you to their site, you can publish to theirs as well. So for example, if I go to Manage Page and copy, let's say that I wanted to go ahead and share the wealth and share this with another teacher. Well, here you can see that on my list of classes there's a site for PBS 1314. That's not my site. Another teacher has added me as a teacher to his site, and it shows up in my list. So just as easily as I copied the site to my own Haiku page, I can copy it to someone else's Haiku page as well. Again, you can also use the share button here also. So there's a couple of different ways to do it. I hope that you find this information useful. Have a great day.